Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to check if your iPhone camera is original. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General. Then, select About at the top of the list. In the About section, look for the space between the serial number and coverage expired. If your camera isn't original, you'll see a button labeled Parts and Service History. This button will tell you if the camera was replaced and whether it's an Apple part or a non-Apple part. If it's a genuine Apple part, it will specify that. Otherwise, it will say Camera Unknown. For example, on my phone, everything looks good and there's no replacement history since my camera hasn't been changed. And that's how you can check if your iPhone camera is original. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.